Right, so what I'm doing today for a bit of a muck around, just for a lazy Thursday, I've cut that out on the little sticker machine just because I'm useless at drawing, writing. We're just going to make a little tin plate out of a bit of aluminium, just 1mm aluminium, just for the local coffee shop. See if I can bead roll this, just step it out a little bit and just make it look a bit fancy. We'll see how we go. See here, over the weekend we are going to make a full-size bomber seat to go with the hot rods, to go with probably for the burnout car. That'll be fully riveted, hand riveted, aircraft riveted. So we'll muck around with that, and you'll see that when the video drops on Monday. Give the video a like, go and subscribe to the channel if you want. We're up at just over 300 subscribers now, which I'm pretty excited about. We've only started doing this kind of just over 2 weeks ago, and we're getting quite a few followers so far. I'm pretty happy with it so far. But yeah, we've got lots more to go, lots of learning, lots of cool shit to build. Yeah, thank you to everyone that's here already, everyone that's watching. Alright, that should look cool. Yeah, so some of the spots are really tight, they just scrape a little bit. I don't know if I've got the dies too far apart maybe, or if they're just too big and I need smaller ones to get those bits. But either way, I'll lightly sand over this when it's done anyway, and just give it a sanded, like a brush sort of finish, I reckon, and see how it... Oh, getting a bit windy here today. Yeah, take it back over, give it a bit of a sand up, and we'll see what that looks like. So what I did is I just shrunk around the edges, corners and edges just a little bit, just to, it just got that pop out because all this was too much material there. So I just shrunk it a little bit, and now it's got no popping or anything like that, no warping. So now I can do the edge and I'll just lock it in a bit. That's my first ever bead rolled word, little sign. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments, and if you like it, subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time.